The Oodie makes over $2 million a month. Let's see how can we build our own brand with a similar products. First of all, we need to understand what the brand is all about. In our case, it's Oodie. It's a hooded blanket that's longer than any other brands available. Second, find out the cost of the similar product from the suppliers. As you can see here, this product we can buy from as low as $8.49 and then resell it this at shocking price of £65. Third step is your shipping. You can ship directly from suppliers to 3PL companies who are going to fulfill your orders and going to keep your inventory. So that is something you can take off your to-do list. 4. You need a website as good as that. Go to Shopify and Repo to build a brand new website in a minute. Download a copy app to duplicate their website on your own. Don't forget to replace images with your own and rephrase everything using ChatGPT to avoid a plagiarism. Use Namelix to create your brand logo. Now that your own brand of hooded blankets is ready, you need to know how to make sure that people buy from you. If you want more information on how to make sales, comment below blanket and I'll send it to you.